rooftop view.
Tá bom? Se põe na comida, de colo de comida de cor vermelha. Isso muitos indígenas usam para tirar tinta para pintar.
Here is the river. He's washing his clothes, swimming. Many adventures. There are the cabins and the dining room. Boys in the kitchen. Here are the cabins. We're sleeping in the second. It's morning now, but it's already so hot. Hi! This is the cabin. Our beds. And there's some houses for the other people that live here. Very beautiful. Here you can see all the stripes on the trees where the water level was. We're trying to fish and hopefully we'll catch something. There he goes. Swimming in the Amazon. Are we going to do it? Are we going to do it? Yes, she is going to do it! Go, go, go! Swimming, swimming. Not really, because it's not that deep. The animals are really in the deep, but we're not gonna swim there. Peixe!
Say something to the vlog.
It's scary, like the teeth are so big.
And it's heavy.
It's very heavy.
Very good! Uy!
We caught this fish. It was not intended, but it jumped in our boat. Oh no. We went to an indigenous family. They're no longer tribes, but they are still living with their own family. And the family has 7 children, and 5 of them we met. But the 2 others, they are going to school, but because it's far away, they live with some family members. But it was very beautiful to see how they're still living there, and they showed us around in their farm. They live from mandioca. It's called cassave in English. And in Brazil, there's so many uses for mandioca. The birds' nests are from chapo. Over there in the jungle it's raining. We are walking in the Amazon. We are going to have something to eat later on. And we're doing a campfire, and we're not gonna sleep here, that's too scary, but we are setting up the hammock. It's a way of communication, so they have different signals for different things. For fiesta, a party, if something is wrong. Very cool. Everybody is able to hear it. We are in the jungle and are going to have a picnic. We didn't slay our own chicken, we brought it. But here is the campfire. And we're gonna cook on it. There is a little deck, or just in case it's gonna rain. Look at that. And if you want, you can sleep here. We're not gonna do that. We are going to take a nap later on after we had lunch, but we're not gonna sleep here. Some other people did, but we're not. Alessandro is preparing a stick for the chicken, so we can put the chicken on the little branch and then put it on the fire. This is what you call a tropical storm, and it's so nice. It's cooling down finally. The Amazon River, it's so huge. We are going to do some shopping.